Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in. Really appreciate you guys take your time and watch my video. So this is the part 2 of the video that I did previously. So the first video that I did last week Friday, I was actually showing the setup of the stuff that I bought from eBay, which is the Vemery light setup. So my lighting studio, it's now almost complete. So at the moment I managed to sort the light part. So at the moment I'm actually using the 3-point light situation, where I have one light on the right hand side and then another light on the left and then one light right on top of the camera. So this light is just to make sure that the reflection on both sides is actually the same, and then as well as from the front. So you don't want to have light that is just fine on this side and then the light is fine on this side, but yet when looking at your face it's actually not bright enough, or there's no consistency. So the light which is inside the right softbox is actually the same as the light which is on the left softbox, and then the light which is here, it's actually different. So this is because this light here is open and then it's facing the opposite direction, and then I'm only getting the reflection from the umbrella. So just to show you how the umbrella looks like. So the reflection from here, so if the light hits here, it's actually bounce back and then gives like a pure reflection onto my face without putting any shadow. As you can see now, you should be seeing shadows on my face, but this light's actually doing a great job. So I'm actually happy with the setup at the moment. So I'm pretty much not sure how it's gonna look like when I do this during the day, but the main purpose why I bought the lights is because the only time that I had chance to do videos was at night. So I believe that's still gonna continue. I'm not sure how this is gonna look when I do videos during the day, but I believe I can use the camera settings to actually adjust between the current setup so that it can fit during the day. And then another thing, I still need to work out as to when I do photo shoots how it's gonna look like. So but at the moment for my normal video, I think this is gonna be perfect, and then I'm still working on improving, and there's some stuff that I'm gonna add on this setup as we go on. So the last part that we need to set, that I'm going to show you on the video, is to actually set up the backdrop. So the backdrop is still the same as it was last week. The only thing that I removed is one bar, because it actually has 1, 2, 3 bars. That makes it, I think, about 3.5 meters, if not 4 meters. So I need to sort that out. So I still need to add another 2 backdrops, which is the white one as well as the black one. And then if I get time, I'll try to do a chroma key for you guys to show you how the chroma key works, to actually remove the green background and put something else which is not the place where I am. So I'm gonna do that for you. So without any waste of time, let me complete the setup. I'm gonna remove one bar and then to bring it closer, and then I'm gonna add more clippers to actually hold it together. And then the next thing that I will need to do, which is not going to happen on this video, is actually to iron this backdrop. So as you can see, they're still folded, some are still shrink, and then I'll have to iron them so that I flatten them together and they should look properly. So far, I want to hear from you guys. How do you see this lighting? What do you think? Do I need to improve anything? Do I need to add anything? Is there anything that I need to reduce? So far, the lights that I'm using here, the only thing that I'm concerned on the lights is the Kelvin. So this one has like 6,500 kelvins. That one has about, it's the same. And then this is like 15 watts. So, but these two are like 15 watts. That one is 10 with 6,500 kelvins. The actual light that came with the setup, this one is like 5.5. So, which is good. So I feel like the settings is actually the same. I'm not sure if you guys are seeing any difference, so let me know in the comment section below if there's anything that you want me to improve. I want to hear it from you guys. I'm doing this video for you. So let's jump into to do the backdrops, and then we'll complete the setup, and then I'll show you guys how we actually change them. I'll do b-rolls, I'll do time lapse, I'll do slow motion on this video, and then you guys will be able to see all this thing as I change them. So stay tuned. Okay, first part, the current backdrop has been adjusted, so it's only 2 bars that are on the backdrop, and then it's reaching side to side. So before I clip it on the sides, I'm gonna just add 2 more drops, and then we'll complete the setup. Yeah. Setup is complete, as you can see right behind me. So I have the white backdrop on front of the other 2, so I'm not sure if you can see clearly, but it's because my wall is actually white, so it makes it a little bit difficult for you to see. But you can see I've clipped it with 1 clip here, the other one here, and then 2 on top, and then there's 2 at the bottom. So it's a total of 6 clips that clip them together. So I think the best arrangement is to put the white one first, and then you can put the green one in the middle, and then the black one on front. Then when you want to use the white one, you can roll up the rest, or you can take the rest out, and then you can put the one that you want to use. But if you want to use the chroma key one, which is the green one, you just have to roll the other one behind the green one. If you want to use the black one, you can roll the other one behind the black one, which is easier. But for the white one, it's easier, and it's gonna be more professional if you put it alone, or if you put it in front of the wall, so that you don't actually pick the color behind it, because it's a little bit transparent. As I can see through it, I can see that there's a backdrop behind it, so it's easier if you're using white, or it's gonna be more perfect if you're using white on its own. So just for me to show you how it looks like, guys, let's jump into it. There you have it. So right behind me is the black backdrop that I've set up, and I think this is the one that I'm gonna use most of the time. So I think this looks cool. What do you guys think? So for my normal videos, this is the one that we're gonna be playing right in front of, and then we're gonna use it most of the time when we do our tech reviews, unboxing, and all sorts of videos which needs me to do them indoors. So I've actually rolled over the white one, which is behind. So as it is, like I said, you are not able to see the white one, so there's a green one behind this one that's actually lying around. And the last thing is for me to iron this thing and flatten them so that they look proper. As for the lighting, I'm happy. As for the sound, I hope you guys are happy too. So let me know what you think, and then we'll take it from there. So tomorrow, I think on my video, we're gonna be talking about, I think there's something that I need to unbox, then I'll show you guys on the video. So I just want to hear your thoughts, guys. What do you think? What can I improve? What can I add? What can I remove? What can I adjust? I just want to hear from you guys. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you on my next video, which I would like to promise that is going to be tomorrow. So thank you so much for watching, and goodbye. So this is the video where I try to do a chroma key, guys, and just to explain a little bit about a chroma key, it's actually what they use in the studio in most Universal Studio movies. So they set up this green screen, and like I said on my previous video, the green screen, or the color green, is the color which is most far away from human skin, which means it's easier for you to crop it out so that you can put any background that you want to put. So I'm gonna try and put that out, and then I'll remove the background, and then when the background is gone, you'll see me rolling somewhere, and then that will be it. Father.